It looks like shaved flesh. Oh, fucking, that is mental. Fucking. Hello, hi, how are you? Well, what's going on? This episode is split into two episodes because we're going to Japan in 4 days for 3 weeks. Won't have time to do an episode, so I split this one into two. We're going to Japan. We're going back to try and capture some stuff. Check out our Instagrams. We'll put them here. Here's my Instagram. You can keep up to date with what we're doing along the way. Flip also has an Instagram. He's sitting over there. I'll put his name up. Ruben's not here, but his Instagram is here also. And follow the Juicebox Instagram as well. So if you want to just keep up to what we're doing while we're in Japan. We haven't really said anything because it wasn't really happening, and then it happened all of a sudden. So thanks to everyone for buying stuff from the shop. We've closed it for the next month or two until we come up with some new designs. Highly appreciate everybody that has purchased stuff over the last year. It's pretty incredible sending stuff all over the world, and we just want to say thanks to everybody for buying stuff and leaving us little messages and writing notes, and yeah, it's pretty damn cool. Check in and keep up to date with what we're getting up to in Japan. It's going to be pretty cool, and I hope you enjoy this episode. Oh man, let's get a...
Can you see?
It's very, very satisfying.
Oh, it's just coming off.
It's just coming off in your hand.
Oh, it's like a bad bit of meat or
Oh
something.
Jesus, it does. It looks like shaved flesh. Oh, fucking, that is mental.
It's got a bit of...
Gonna gore you out a bit.
flesh. Oh yeah, need more in the middle.
95% of the welding is... No. It's not actually. But most of the welding is done for us to paint the inside and the engine bay and the underneath. That's the next step. There's been over 23 days of welding. I've roped my brother Stephen in and Flip, and we're gonna just start scotching the shell inside and then eventually move on to the engine bay. Bet you're happy you offered to help.
Haven't timed me life right now.
2 minutes into this and we hate it. Look. So the degreaser, the super turbo magic shit, done the job. Crazy.
That's crazy.
Tedious work. It's too hot, man. I'm too ginger. I'm too ginger for this heat.
Too Irish for this heat.
This is never ending.
The best thing I've ever walked into.
I have no shoes on either, which makes no sense. Look at this for a farmer's tan, right? Just ginger, freckles, ginger, and then it just stops here, and then there's a little white patch that got confused, and then there's more freckles to start.
Your neck is the
My
same,
neck as well. I'm just the most Irish looking fucking guy ever. How's it going? He actually is a farmer, and he deleted his farmer's tan. Look, we have the same skin because we're really ginger. But he actually deleted the farmer's tan. Oh, you took it off with the...
Yeah, will you have a little hug?
Now you're just white to there. Oh. That's fucking gas, man. I didn't know the ginger body could do it. It's great, like, I tried to do that before and I never lost this fucking area.
So we have to do him. We have to do him. Oh, I have to do him as well, do I? Yeah. I'd say so. Yeah, we're gonna do the whole fucking thing because it's very pitted here, as you can see, and there's just gonna be other little kind of weird marks.
So I bought these the other day. They're like a Watanabe black racing replica, and yeah, I should have brought the camera with me because I bought them off somebody that has a pretty cool A86. But yeah, these are going to be the daily wheels for the March project. I'm going to give them a shitty paint job. I have some matte black there. Just going to black them out again. Just give them a quick scotch. Degreased it. Let's give it a quick spray and see how we get on. That doesn't look too shabby. It actually looks a lot shinier for some reason on camera. But yeah, see, they're a bit shitty. This one was left out in a field, so it's nice to just have a bit of black on it. I'm only gonna get a quick. Looks pretty good. Bad. Jesus Christ. This is obviously the start. Thanks. So here's phase 2 of ruining the daily driver. As you seen the footage earlier of Dougie washing it and ripping the mouldings off. Basically, we have a final form for this car that I've designed, and we're going to do it this weekend. So it's Friday night, we're rolling in the March. Here she is, the Mint Panther, and we're going to roll it out as something pretty interesting.
No going back now.
No going back now.
Well, man.
That's the car off, that is.
It's a magical moment. It's like when you really need a shit.
We're going to remove the locking mechanism because it's
See, look at this. I've volleys out one by one. The whole. Oh, this came off pretty handy.
Oh, what's weird is I actually know what I'm doing. And the door is off.
Come over here.
Ron commences.
It's just that cap.
Oh, dope. You dope. You pushed into it.
Finally pulled off.
Yeah, that's it. That's the plug to pull it.
I got it, lads. I got it.
Little old pokey looking guys, I guess. Oh, that was wasted.
Oh,
It's so easy.
it's about 7 shades of the green. You just can't see it in pictures. It's actually, it was crashed. So this is a wing off some other one. It was robbed when it lived in Dublin. So that's a door off of another one.
Good shit. We're all just done enough now, man.
Has to be it.
Oh, hey.
Bit bigger, Josh.
Hey, trim that.
About here.
Going to fix a bit of the rust here. You can't hear the rust anyway.
Oh hi. Smashing. Well done. Nice time. It's Friday night. We started the car at about 9:20, so pretty late because I was fucking around taking pictures and doing all sorts of shit. But pretty good progress because we want to get this done in about 3 days, 4 days, and then tomorrow then we'll sand some of the last little bits and then we will paint the car.
Sorry.
Nearly ready for paint. This is just a quick job that we're doing.
Yeah.
As kind of a joke. So
Quick job.
very quick. Just rubbing the car down with 400.
Yeah, 400.
400. We didn't prime it. We're not planning on doing that. The idea with the March is to build a kind of a rough and ready race car kind of thing. So not generally what you would do.
No.
A lot of this is kind of... No, this is actually not what he does. So
Nobody ring him up asking for a €300 paint job just with a quick rub down, because that's not really what he does. He was being very rough.
Yeah?
Yeah, be real rough. Just rough like.
I think we're fucking ready to start doing yeah, that's fine. It's just mental.
Yeah, usually both of us would be in there or whatever, but we're trying to keep the dust down and do this as quickly as possible. So I'm just going to stay outside and try film in through the window. We'll look through the little smiley face that I drew. It looks like Mr. Blobby.
What a fucking colour, mate.
What we did was Tamiya make a model of the car, and this is the color that they use. So I tracked the color down and got it from Japan, and then we got it mixed up. So we're trying to get it as accurate as possible to the race color, and it's pretty close. Free spray. Nearly 3 years I've wanted to do this to a Micra or a March, and I know the 86 and all these other things have slowed it down, but no matter what, this was the plan, so let's see what happens.
So thanks to my fucking my genetics, my mask doesn't work too good.
He's giving it a second coat, so he'll get 2 coats.
Godlow on the track.
Very quick.
Where's the thermometer there?
It's very hard to see, but it's like it is just on 38 degrees there now. Show you how sweaty it is in the boot.
Jesus, man. Yeah, this time yesterday I was taking photographs of the car, and now it is stripped and a different colour.
Why do you have a film of Brian doing it?
So this is how you take this off properly, Just nice.
Lovely.
That was it. Just leave it there.
This has gone off ages ago, but I'm just too lazy to change it.
Scary. Fucking control that screen.
The boot's gonna be warm as shit here.
Jesus Christ.
That looks like
It just looks like someone petrol bombed the
Jurassic Park.
Looks like someone fucked the petrol bomb at the back of the car or something.
Not like it now. This is the real hero of this build. This guy. We're calling him the vanilla wheel. Fucking get in, boy. Look what's happening now.
I know, yeah. So everything is sanded. We'll roll the car out tomorrow and then we'll paint this shit. So yeah, another really, really late night.